واجعل بنائي بناء علمي وعمل بسنة وحلمي.
Hello, I'm James Robinson. I'm a professor at the University of Chicago, and I'm here in Touba in Senegal, visiting at the Cheikh Ahmadoul Khadim University to deepen my knowledge and understanding of the Murid as an economic and social phenomena, the role they play in Senegalese society, how they're organized, and it's been a fascinating interaction, and I'm delighted and very pleased to be here, and thank you very much for your hospitality. The university, it's a very young institution, even though you know it's been coming for a long time, and it's very exciting to hear of your initiatives, particularly the educational role in explaining to people about the Murids and their role in society and their philosophy of life and their organization. I think that's very important. So it's been very impressive and exciting. To be very curious, and just follow your instincts. Don't let other people tell you what's interesting or what's not interesting. Be curious, decide for yourself, and follow your passion. Yeah.
بنائي بناء علمي وعمل بسنة وحلمي.